by 15 minutes only.
The next one you guys have right now is for caliber rapids. How do you get over that?
I don't remember any of this, but I know I do. I remember sitting up there waiting for you all day.
Immense explosion causes huge dust cloud. Blot out the sun for 3 months. Toxic gas. Acid rainfall. Woo! Nothing could survive that, right? One proof that the dinosaurs became extinct. Either starved or got sick and died. Mother Nature began to reinvent the animal world. And this time, it will be ruled by the tiny survivors. Mammals.
Hello. I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world that will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tools are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in, use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong? Hey, it's me again. Remember, only you guys are going on this special mission, so don't tell anyone, okay?
Ele disse que a gente vai entrar no carro, botar o cinto e ver todos os dinossauros do Cretáceo.
Os outros dinossauros.
Mas então, mas isso que
DinoLand, wait. You're going.
Right down the steps is your time rover.
Spider-Man ride and like
all loose items in the pouch in front of you. Fasten your seatbelt and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the time roller. And please watch children.
Atención, guarden todos los artículos sueltos. Abróchense los cinturones y permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Vigilen a sus niños.
Time travel commencing in T-10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Here, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify. Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Hello. And identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We've got a moment.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening? Four-wheel drive.
Warning, meteor strike.
Left, right. That's close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort, abort.
Iguanodon.
Get it. Get them out now. They're not gonna make it. They're not gonna make it.
Mission accomplished.
You made it. I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything.
Please gather personal belongings from the pouch in front of you and remain seated until the rover comes to a complete stop.
Seeker. Over. Unit 2 and 4. He's looking for a way out. Over. Do not, I repeat, do not let him out of the building. Unit 1, any sign of Seeker? Over. Negative. Lost him. Over. Stay on it. Unit 4, motion detectors active in corridor 5. Over. Roger. We're on it. Over. This is Unit 3. Nobody home in 5. Over. All clear at 5A. No sign of Seeker. Over. The Dinosaur's coming this way. I'm gonna need backup in corridor 3. Over. All teams to corridor 3. Copy? Loud and clear. Over. I'm on my way. Over. Unit 1 here, unable to contain it. Repeat, unable to. Roger 1. Stay on it. Unit 2, I want Seeker. Is that clear? Roger, Chief. I'm ready to go. We have a report on the dino. It's an iguanodon. Vegetarian. Do you copy? Roger. Continue patrol. Over. Unit 3 reporting. All clear at corridor 7. Over. This is Unit 4. We've got some busted lights down here. Over. Roger. We'll get on that. Anything else to report? Negative. No sign of Seeker. Over. Unit 1. Have you got anything? Over. Unit 1 reporting. We have a situation down here. Over. Unit 2 confirmed. It looks like a dinosaur, sir. Corridor 3A. Over. Security Chief Evans here. Say again.
You make my hair ring.